Nitro. Hey.
Look, he's fat na.
Antok ka na.
He's
Baby, no?
fat na, look.
Yes, he's getting chubbier. Parang nagagalit. Nababad trip. Magandang umaga doon, fam. It is 9 a.m. Natutulog si Mami Shanta kasi ganito ang arrangement namin. Siya yung natutulog sa umaga, ako natutulog sa gabi. Sa hapon, gising kaming dalawa. Ganon. So ako muna ang nag-aalaga kay baby habang natutulog si Mami. Hey, Nitro. Hey, baby. Hey. Nitro, what are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at? Oh, hello. Hello, baby. Who's that? Is that you? Yeah, that's you. Ngayon, sinaswaddle ko si Nitro para sana matutulog din siya. Iba't ibang paraan para maswaddle ang baby. Nag-search ako sa YouTube, sa internet.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Okay guys, Mami Shanta is awake na and she's breastfeeding na. Tulog ni Mami. Alright, Shan. I want to show you something, okay? So while you're asleep, this happened. Are you happy? Are you happy, baby? You're smiling, yeah, you're smiling. You're smiling, baby. Yes, you are. Wow, your first smile. That's a real smile, isn't it? You're not squeezing out a poo. Yeah, you are smiling. Yes, you are.
Masini mo pa ano? Kaya gusto mo nag-smile yan?
I don't know, I was just looking at him. You know, smiling at him and talking to him. It's so cool, no?
Yeah. Mabay ka pa.
Huh? He smiled at me, Shanta. Has he smiled at you before, like that?
He's always smiling basta nabusog.
Like it's mopay feeling when he smiles at you and you're looking at him. Finally, getting some kind of communication from him other than crying, no? Okay, baby, you ready?
Anay, hey.
Hello, baby. Wow,
Miss
cute,
Beverly.
ma. Yes, Beverly from the USA sent us some more clothes. Unexpected arrival.
I'll fix him.
Wow, kasi sa'yo, baby bagay sa'yo. You're like a burglar now.
Those are dinosaurs. See?
Yeah, you got some dinosaurs on there, baby. Oh, that's cool. Ganda ng damit mo, ah. Whoa!
Hi, I'm Greg, and I use PhilTalk. Ako di ay si Dwayne, ug na ako'y PhilTalk.
Magandang PhilTalk kasi para siyang social media para sa Pilipinas. At para rin sa mga dayuhan na gustong matutong mag-Tagalog or mag-Bisaya. It connects Filipinos to people from other countries na interesado sa ating kultura.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.
Ayan guys, so Shanta and I are going to eat junk food while we watch
Ay, bawal
Netflix.
yan.
Hindi naman. It's okay to spoil yourself once in a while. Di ba guys? How are you feeling now, baby?
I'm feeling better.
Feeling better na? Dahil may junk food ka na?
Papakainin ko. Blur mo
Okay,
ako.
Okay, Shanta's gonna breastfeed right now, guys. Habang nagbe-breastfeeding si Shanta, manonood muna kami ng Netflix. For all you parents out there na naka-rate sa amin, please leave your comments and your experiences below with raising your bebes.
Umiyak lang naman ako kagabi. Umiyak lang ako kanina kasi naantok ako.
Yeah, sinantok siya.
Kasi buong gabi ako gising. Hindi siya natutulog. Tapos morning pa, gising pa din ako.
Yeah, it's crazy. Right now the time is what? 2 p.m. So Shanta hasn't had much sleep. I've had more sleep than Shanta has. Those moments that we have with him that are good are very precious. Priceless.
Ano ka ba? Alam mo, ba't ganito? Kasi maliit pa siya. 1 month pa lang siya, kaya ganito siya.
Oh yeah.
Pag
Okay, when he
lumaki
grows
siya.
up, yeah. They say a lot of people have said the most fun you have is when they're toddlers, like 2, 3, 4. You know,
Parang
they're
hindi ako mag-i-enjoy yun kasi tatakbo ka kasi baka mahulog or gano'n.
Sana by that time, meron na tayong bahay sa Leyte,
I
no?
think meron na.
Sana.
Two.
Sana all. Hey Dwanda fam, maikli lang po ang ating vlog for today. Yes, ngumiti si Nitro sa akin. He actually smiled at me. It was amazing. You know, it was just for a few seconds, but it was really special. And worth it ang lahat ng pagod. And worth it magiging haggard just to see that. I never thought I would say that. When I heard other people say that, I thought, how can that be worth it? It's just a smile. But when it's your own child, grabe. Iba talaga ang feeling. No, masarap sa pakiramdam yung feeling na yan. So ngayon, hindi na siya ngumingiti. Umiyak na siya. Mommy is taking care of him. So guys, before we finish this vlog, I just want to shout out to my batchmates from my mission, Philippines Tacloban mission. Si Rog Barandas, Elma Manzana, Manzanas ba? Julie Solando Catilier, and Mary Grace Ulia. Mary Christ Ulia. Mary Grace. Ayan, mga batchmates ko sila. Yeah, so maraming salamat guys sa panonood sa vlog na to. And we will see you sa sunod na video ng Dwanta. Alright guys, bye for now.